What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at the Tylt Silicone watch band for the Moto 360. This is basically if you want to use your Moto 360 for more sport related activities. The leather bands could get kind of messed up with sweat, and the metal bands aren't the most comfortable for working out in, so that's what you have these silicone ones for. So let's go ahead and open this up. Got a couple stickers on the side. One. See it? Oh, that's on the bottom too. Alright, let's all those off of there. To the side. And come on. There we go. Pull this guy out. Put that to the side. We have our instructions, some warranty info here, and then this is the tool to actually replace the band, and then these are the pins that go into the watch. Let's go and pick this out of here. Feels pretty good. So hopefully this is the same size as the leather band, which in itself barely fits me. So I have gorilla wrists. So we have our Moto 360 here. Let's go ahead and do this. So the forked end. Zoom in on this a bit. Let's focus that guy. Yeah. So I should be able to wedge this in here according to the instructions. I think I just turned it on accident. Yeah, I did. Oops. Okay, I see. Man, this is quite difficult. Focus, right? So basically what we're trying to do is get this little forked end around the pin so we can slide out the pin. Not having very good luck doing this. And I just kind of jacked up the leather there a little bit. Obviously I'm not a professional watch person, otherwise I would probably be having a lot easier time doing this. So there we go, that's one side, and minimal damage to the plastic there. Let's go ahead and try the other side now. So basically what happened was I got this little fork end around the pin, and then I pushed on it, and that caused the spring to pop out. So since I kind of know what I'm supposed to do now, let's see if I can get this side a little easier. I would almost add a disclaimer that if you don't feel comfortable doing this, then definitely go to a watch place. So there we go. That's the pins right there. So saying that goes around them right there. So go ahead and replace that. And yeah, I did turn it on. Go ahead and turn this guy off. I don't want this on for right now. Okay. So I'm gonna want it like that. Yeah. We'll slide the pin in. And man, it is really small, but that's where the pin needs to go. And we'll try this again. So again, forked end goes over the pin. Popped out, damn it. Oh, so there's a clicking sound and it's in there. Alright, so that was a hell of a lot easier putting it in than it was taking it out. That's what she said. Alright, let's do the other side. Flip it around. Same deal. Pin in the watch band. And again, apply pressure so that it slides in there. Move the tool. Oh man, again. Okay, let's try this again. Again, using the forked end, put pressure on the pin so that the spring gets pushed in. And there we go. Sweet. So the band is on the watch now. And move that to the side. Let's focus this a little better. We'll go ahead and put this on and see how it feels. Put my Fossil watch down. That's what I'm wearing right now. Probably do some size comparisons with a Fossil watch and this thing. Maybe in another video. Okay, so this is actually smaller than the leather one. The leather one I can wear on the third loop. This one I'm wearing on the very last loop. And then this has a catch on it so you can place it into the other side here. Cool. So that keeps that down. You don't have an extra loop to hold this down. It just clamps into itself. And there you have it. That's the silicone watch band for the Moto 360. This will be nice for working out, physical activity, and that'll hopefully help preserve our leather band here from getting too much abuse. It already looks a little worn, so that's why I went ahead and got this silicone one. As always, I'll put links to this watch band in the description down below. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for me, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram, or you can just leave a comment on this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram, or just leave a comment on this video. Until next time, take care.